This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain what a PayPal address is and how it functions. Essentially, your PayPal address is the email or phone number you've registered with your account. It's the unique identifier that allows others to send you money and for you to send funds to them. For businesses, it's usually a dedicated email address, ensuring smooth and accurate financial transactions. Understanding this is key to using PayPal effectively for both personal and commercial purposes. When someone wants to send you money via PayPal, they simply enter your registered email address or phone number into the platform. PayPal then uses this information to locate your specific account and deposit the funds directly. It's a straightforward process, but accuracy is paramount. Double-checking the recipient's email or phone number before confirming a transaction can prevent misdirected payments and save you a lot of hassle. To find your own PayPal address, simply log into your PayPal account. Your primary PayPal address is the email or phone number you used when you first created your account. You can usually locate this information easily within your account settings or profile section. It's often displayed right on your account overview page, making it simple to share with others who wish to send you money. When using PayPal, security is incredibly important. Always take a moment to verify the recipient's PayPal address before you send any money to ensure it goes to the correct person. Be very wary of any unexpected requests for your PayPal details, as these could be phishing attempts. For maximum security, use a strong, unique password for your account and always enable two-factor authentication. These simple steps can protect your funds and personal information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.